Hi. Welcome to the Loop English Pod. Today's story, I went to the movies alone. This is Slow English, for beginner learners at level A2. Listen, relax, and learn. This is a small story about doing something brave by myself. One Saturday evening, I had a free night. My friends were busy, and I had no plans. I sat on my sofa and looked at my phone. There was a film I wanted to see for a long time. It was playing at the cinema near my flat. I looked at the time. The next showing was in 1 hour. I thought, should I go by myself? I felt a little unsure. I never went to the cinema alone before. I always thought it was something people did in groups. But that night, I decided to try something different. I picked up my bag and put on my sweater. I walked out of my flat and down the street. The evening air was cool and quiet. The cinema was about 10 minutes from my home. I walked slowly because I was a little nervous. I kept thinking, is this strange? Will people look at me and think it is strange? But then I looked around, and no one was watching me. People were walking, talking, looking at their phones. Nobody cared where I was going. That feeling of nobody watching made me feel more relaxed. I took a breath and kept walking. I arrived at the cinema and stopped at the entrance. The lobby was warm and bright inside. Big colorful posters covered the walls. I walked in and went to the ticket desk. The man at the desk smiled at me and said, "Hello." I said, "1 ticket please, for the 7 o'clock film." He nodded and gave me a ticket. I paid and said thank you. It was that simple. I stood in the lobby for a moment. I looked at the screen that showed the seats. Most of the seats were free, so I could choose any one. I chose my own seat, near the middle, just right. Nobody needed to agree with me. I just picked the seat that I wanted. Then I walked over to the food counter. The smell of popcorn was warm and sweet. I bought a small box of popcorn and a cold drink. I did not need to share with anyone. I smiled to myself. I gave myself the night. I went into the cinema room and found my seat. The seat was soft and red. I sat down and put my popcorn on my lap. A few other people were already sitting around me. Some were in pairs, and some were alone like me. I looked at them and felt less unsure. I was not the only person who came by herself. The room was still a little bright. I looked around slowly, and the screen was large and white. The seats went all the way up to the back of the room. I felt small in a good way, so I ate some popcorn and waited. Then the lights went down. The room became dark and quiet. I could hear people sitting down in their seats. Then the screen lit up with a big white glow. Music started to play, slow and low at first. My chest felt warm, and the film began. The story on the screen was beautiful. It was about a woman who moved to a new city. She did not know anyone, but she found her way. I watched and felt the story in my body. My eyes stayed on the screen the whole time. I ate my popcorn slowly and forgot about everything else. I was just there, in that seat, in that dark room. It felt very good to be right there. Near the end of the film, I felt a little moved. The woman in the story chose herself, and that made her happy. I thought about myself, sitting alone in that cinema. I was also choosing myself that night. The film ended and the credits began. The lights slowly came back on. People around me started to stand and put on their coats. I sat still for a moment. I was not ready to leave yet. I wanted to keep that warm feeling a little longer. Then I stood up and put on my sweater. I picked up my empty popcorn box and threw it away. I walked down the steps and out of the cinema room. The lobby was bright again, and people moved around me. I walked out through the front doors. The night air was cold and fresh. I stopped outside and looked up at the sky. I walked out feeling proud. I did something I was not sure about. And I was glad I did it. I felt calm and free. The night was mine, and it was wonderful. On the walk home, I thought about the film. I thought about the woman in the story. And I thought about myself. Maybe doing things alone is not strange at all. Maybe it is one of the best things you can do for yourself. I gave myself the night. And the night gave me something back. That's the story. Thanks for listening. Have you ever done something fun alone? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe for more slow English stories. 3 new stories every week. I will see you next time.